Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Hey Glow Getters. Welcome back to Glowzenia, your go-to channel for beauty tips, tricks, and trends. If you've been wondering why your makeup isn't giving you that radiant, flawless glow, you might be making some sneaky mistakes. But don't worry, today we're diving into the most common makeup mistakes that are secretly ruining your glow and, of course, how to fix them. Let's get into it. Section 1. Skin Prep Mistakes. First things first, your glow starts way before you even pick up your foundation. If you're skipping proper skin prep, your makeup will never look smooth or radiant. Here's what you need to stop doing. Mistake 1. Skipping moisturizer. A dry base leads to cakey makeup. Always hydrate your skin before applying makeup. Mistake 2. Not using a primer that suits your skin type. If you have oily skin, use a mattifying primer. If you have dry skin, go for a hydrating one. Your primer sets the stage for your foundation. Mistake 3. Over-exfoliating before makeup. Too much exfoliation makes your skin sensitive and can cause flakiness. Stick to gentle exfoliation 2 to 3 times a week. Section 2. Foundation and concealer mistakes. Next up, foundation and concealer. These products are meant to enhance your glow, but if used incorrectly, they can do the opposite. Mistake 4. Choosing the wrong foundation shade. Too light makes you look ghostly, too dark looks unnatural. Always swatch on your jawline, not your hand. Mistake 5. Applying too much product. More isn't always better. Heavy layers make your makeup look thick instead of glowing. Try the thin layer technique instead. Mistake 6. Dragging your foundation instead of blending. Dabbing with a sponge or brush prevents streaks and gives an airbrushed finish. Side-by-side comparison. Mistake 7. Overdoing concealer. The triangle of light under your eyes. If you're using too much, it settles into fine lines and makes you look tired. Use just a little and blend well. Section 3. Powder and setting mistakes. Now, let's talk about setting your makeup. This step locks in your glow, but the wrong technique can make you look dry and dull. Mistake 8. Using too much powder. Over-powdering makes skin look flat and lifeless. Instead, use a light hand and focus on oily areas only. Mistake 9. Skipping setting spray. A dewy setting spray brings back the glow while keeping makeup in place. It's a game changer. Section 4. Contour, blush, and highlight mistakes. Now let's fix those contour, blush, and highlight mistakes that might be stealing your glow instead of enhancing it. Mistake 10. Harsh contour, lines. Blending is key. A sharp contour that isn't blended well can look muddy and unnatural. Mistake 11. Placing blush in the wrong spot. If you apply blush too low, it can drag your face down. Instead, keep it on the high points of your cheeks for a lifted look. Mistake 12. Overloading on highlighter. A little goes a long way. Applying too much can make your skin look greasy instead of glowing. Tap lightly on high points. Section 5. Eye and lip mistakes. Your eyes and lips also play a big role in your overall glow. Here are some mistakes to avoid. Mistake 13. Skipping eye primer. Without an eye primer, your eyeshadow fades fast and looks patchy. Mistake 14. Overlining lips incorrectly. Too much overlining can look unnatural. Focus on subtly enhancing the shape instead. And there you have it, 15 makeup mistakes that might be ruining your glow. But now that you know what to avoid, you're on your way to a flawless, radiant look. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a beauty hack. Also, drop a comment below and let me know which mistake you've been guilty of. No judgment. We've all been there. See you in the next video. Bye.